as an emergency issue, and that is why I commissioned ECG to install the additional bulk supply station, and also commissioned Gridco to hasten and complete the 145 MVA transformer. I got a report that they have completed it, and so like I said, this week I would visit Kumasi to see for myself the extent of completion. Whilst they were doing the work, what I thought I needed to do was to give them the logistical support and the needed support. Now that the work is complete, and they have reported to me that it's complete, and they did so last week, this week I will be visiting. Yesterday was a budget reading. Of course, I couldn't have gone yesterday. Today, this August House has summoned me to answer the questions. And so tomorrow, God willing, I should be able to visit Kumasi to see for myself the extent of completion, and I'll report back to my mother.